Hi all, this is Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some artwork that I did while I was at work. Sometime when I'm at my desk and I have some downtime, I start doodling. So basically this is how I get all my, a lot of my artwork that I made, like from my canvas painting, my button pin stickers and all that. I drew 3 pictures and the third one I'm not complete with it yet. So this is the rough draft. So this is the first one. I don't know what you would call it, like a man. Almost look like a man slash, I don't know, Campbell or chicken, whatever. This is the first one. I just try to draw whatever came to mind, and then this is the actual drawing that I made some copies of the drawing because I want to actually keep the original. I made copies of the drawing. To see the copies came out darker than the actual drawing. So these are ones that I'll actually color or paint. So I made 3 copies of those. So that's the first one. And you see I dated it November 6, 2023. Did it a few days ago. That's the first one. Just to the side here. Second one. Picture of a little lady. I like the eyes, the slanted eyes, the chubby little cheeks. So I just try to draw whatever came to mind. No right or wrong about artwork, you know. So I made copies of this one as well. And this one came out a little darker. This one's coming to the end, so I just have to draw that in. So it came out darker again, as you can see. Like I said, these are ones I'll actually color, and this original I will keep. Made 3 copies of those. Of this one. Oh, did I make? Oh, actually 4 copies. That's cool. And the third one I haven't completed yet, so I just got an idea. I don't know if I'm gonna add to it or just keep it like it is, just make it darker. And I just start drawing lines, and then it comes like a little man's face. If you can see, it's still kind of light, so I'm gonna finish coloring that in. But this is the one I'm gonna work on it today in front of you guys, and see what I can color and see what I can do with this one. It's like I don't know, like a pineapple man, or I don't say pineapple, like a watermelon face or something. Like little layers. This is the original. This is the copies. See, they're still kind of light. So I'm going to go ahead and color that in. 1, 2, 3 copies of that. Let me go ahead and work on one of them right now. So let's go ahead and put these other ones away. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to color. I have small little color pencils. And I'll also have some markers, which both I bought from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I need to do is finish coloring this in. So I don't know why I didn't bring me a pencil. So let me go grab a pencil right quick. I actually hooked up the mic and then I ended up losing all the sound. So I'm just going to do a voiceover. So I grabbed 2 pencils, one for the eraser, one to write. So I'm trying to go ahead and sharpen them. But it's with my old pencil sharpener, so it wasn't working too great. So end up going back and getting the better one. So I'm going ahead and speed this up. So after a while, like I'm saying, like, let me go ahead and get a better pencil sharpener. So I got it to work. Now I'm going ahead and outline everything, trace it. Just doing a voiceover. Hope it comes out clearly. It's going to be, the name of this drawing is going to be called Color Man. So I'm tracing everything in, getting it done. What do you think? So I'm going to use different color shades of green. I don't know what you call this color shade of green. Then I'm going to use a darker color shade of green and go ahead and fill it in with different colors. I'm pretty much done with it. See if I should add a little red or not. But I decided to put it back, I believe. So now I'm going to take a look at it. And I'm wondering if I should outline. It's like a man of many colors, color man. Kind of remind me of when I made the Penelope, all the different kind of colors. Similar a little bit. So what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and fill in the eyes a little bit more, and then I'm going to outline it. Well, I did pick up this fine point Sharpie marker from 99 cent store. Usually I try to grab one or two every couple of months, so I'll have it. So this is the one I just did, and I made a copy when I just did. So I'm going to actually outline the copy one just in case I don't like it. But let's get started. Usually when I do outlines, I'm just kind of nerve-wracking to me. I usually hold my breath and try to be really steady with it, but I need to go ahead and breathe and get it done. So go ahead and speed it up. So I'm all done. What do you think? Outlined version or the unlined outline version? So what do you guys think? Please leave it in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.